If you're acquainted with cryptocurrencies, you're almost certainly familiar with Bitcoin and Ethereum. The two heavyweights dominate the capitalization rankings, with a combined market share of 57%. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency of all time and has a capitalization of more than double that of Ethereum. However, ETH is edging closer to BTC, owing to its functionality, which includes supporting the ever-growing NFT market. At times, the Ethereum network can get crowded, resulting in slower transaction speeds and an increase in the Ethereum network's historically high gas prices. As a result, many investors are looking for alternatives to BTC and ETH. Three cryptocurrencies worth considering are Solana, Polygon, and FIREPIN token. The pre-sale of FIREPIN token is a fantastic opportunity to make yourself a potential million or two. The price of the project has already grown by 2,700 USD in phase 1 of the pre-sale. With 2 more phases left, there is the possibility of repeating and even exceeding that success. FIREPIN token offers a fresh alternative to the stress of slow and congested transaction speeds. With this brand new crypto, you will be able to transfer between 5 of the most efficient blockchains to find the quickest and most cost-effective at any given time. Every transaction carried out on the FIREPIN token network will incur a small tax fee. The money generated from this fee will be used to fund the treasury and liquidity for the network, as well as a portion of FRPN tokens being redistributed back to all current holders. The money raised by the treasury will then be used to produce NFT and metaverse games, as well as being invested into teams and corporations that are building towards the future in the metaverse.